March in South Carolina. Is it warm enough for you to put your kid in the pool outside? Say hey. Adam, look at Dada. Can you say hey? You water the grass?
Are you watering the grass, little man?
Want me to fill it up? Watch. You can do it again. Watch. Go down, and then up. Ooh. Down and up. Good job. Do it again. There you go. Ha ha ha. Are you having fun? There you go. Ooh. Water the grass?
Yeah, he's on a roll now.
Good job. I taught him how to dunk it and get more water. Yeah. Water that part right there. Yeah, good job. Ooh. Can you say hey to Dada? Can you wave?
Say hey, Adam.
You go high five. High five. High five.
He said nope.
Nope. I'm watering the grass. You got pollen in here, Adam. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
Alrighty, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.